Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is Oxford Broadway course book of English for grade 5, and this is the verb book of English for grade 5. So all of you have to open your planner first. This is the planner. You have to mention here date and day, today's date and day in this column. And this is week 1. The topic number 1 is parts of speech on verb book page number 26 to 28. Concept clearance plus learn definitions. Parts of speech verb book page number 28 to 29. And parts of speech activity from teacher's manual. So these 3 topics we are going to study about today. So all of you have to open your verb book page number 26. So this is verb book page number 26. You have to mention here date and day. Parts of speech. What is part of speech? Part of speech is a class of words based on the function of words in the sentence. And you know there are 8 parts of speech. That is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunction, and interjection. So first one is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. It can be the name of person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Ideas are feelings. Love, hate, friendship, hostility, people, doctor, nurse, teacher, cobbler, animals, dog, fish, cat, places, library, Pakistan, beach, zoo, museum, garden. Things are objects, book, house, flower, pencil, table. So these all are examples of noun. The second part of speech is verb. It describes an action or state of being. Verb is a word which shows some action. And there are 2 types of verbs: action verbs, helping verbs. Action verbs like found, draw, play, touch, these show some action. And helping verbs can, would, is, do, could, go, was, were. These are helping verbs, and helping verbs are the verbs without which our sentence cannot be complete. Adjective. It is used to describe a noun. Like what kind is it? Short, skinny dog. Here dog is the noun and skinny describes the dog. So this is adjective. What qualities has it got? Beautiful flower. Flower is the noun and beautiful describes its quality, that it is beautiful. So this is adjective. Which one is it? Old, white house. House is the noun and white describes its color. So these are adjective. How many are there? 3 bears. Now here this show the number. So these are quantitative adjective. What color is it? Is it bright? Red ruby? So ruby is the noun and these to define its color. So these are adjectives. How does it sound, taste, look, feel, smell? How does it sound? Is it loud or soft sound? Its taste is bitter, sweet, or sour. It looks like beautiful, ugly, feel rough, smooth, smell pungent, pleasant, funky, etc. So these are the examples of adjective. Next part of speech is adverb. Adverb tells more about a verb, adjective, or an other adverb. It answers these questions: when, where, how much, why. There are 4 types of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Adverb shows how things are done and it modifies a verb. Here it modifies a verb in this sentence: walks lazily. So walks is a verb. Lazily modifies it more clearly. How he walks lazily. So this is adverb and it modifies a verb here. Modifies an adjective. Really important. Important is adjective. So really important. मज़ीद इसको ये डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, इसको मज़ीद मॉडिफाई कर रहा है कि बहुत ख़ास. So here adverb modifies an adjective. Modifies an other adverb very slowly. So slowly is adverb and very slowly here it modifies an other adverb. Slowly को मज़ीद ये मॉडिफाई कर रहा है और क्लियर करके बता रहा है कि बहुत आहिस्तगी से. So here adverb modifies an other adverb. Pronoun. It is used in place of a noun or it replaces the noun. I, we, you, they, me, or your, them. I for myself, we, me or my sister, my brother or my friend. Same like you, with your brother, sister or your friend. They for 2 persons. Me for again myself or again for me or my sister, my friend. Your, them again for 2 persons, 2 or more persons. So these are the pronouns, examples of pronouns. Preposition. It shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to some other words in a sentence. Relationship between the noun and pronoun ये sentence में show करता है. In, on, our, near, under, ate, the water is in the glass, her house is near to my house, the cat is under the table. So these are the examples of prepositions. So upon next page, conjunction. It is used to join words or sentences together. Conjunction examples: and, but, so, or, because. These are conjunctions. He is tall and handsome. He works hard but his progress is unsteady. She is hardworking because she is diligent student. So these are the examples of conjunction which are used to join the words in the sentence. Interjection. It is a word or a set of sound which expresses strong feeling. Hello, ouch, oh, ah, alas, wow, hurrah. So these show some feeling, emotions in the happiness or in the sadness. Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, his father has died. Ouch, I got a stuck in my foot. So these were the parts of speech, and what you have to do is you have to write these definitions with the examples of your own in your notebook. So now read the following paragraph carefully and put the words in their relevant columns. One day a beautiful dove saw an ant struggling in the water. He took pity on the small ant and threw down a leaf. The ant climbed on the green leaf and reached the shore safely. After some days, the ant saw the wicked hunter aiming an arrow at the dove flying above. He wanted to save the dove, so he bit the hunter's leg. The hunter missed his aim and the dove flew safely. So, we have to separate each part of speech and write it in their relevant columns. So, first column is of noun. Again, noun is the naming word. So, dove, noun. Leaf, noun. Ant, noun. Pity, show some feeling. So, this is also the example of noun. Pronoun, here only one pronoun he is used in the whole paragraph. He. Adjective, which shows some quality. Beautiful dove, here beautiful describes the dove. So, this is adjective. Small ant, small describes the ant. This is adjective. Wicked hunter, so wicked describes the hunter. This is adjective. Green leaf, green describes the leaf. So this is adjective. Verb, which shows some action. Threw, saw, bit, flew. These are examples of verb. Climbed. Conjunction, which are used to join the sentence. And, conjunction. So, conjunction. And again, conjunction. Adverb, which modifies a verb or adjective. Down, this is adverb of place. Safely, adverb of manner. After, adverb of time. Some, adverb. Prepositions. In, on, eight. These are the examples of prepositions. So students, you have to write these in the columns given, and you have to write the definitions in your of parts of speech in your notebook. And I have actually prepared a small activity of these parts of speech for you. Parts of speech. Noun. The dog howled. Dog howled. So dog is the noun. Pronoun. It woke the baby. When it howled, it woke the baby. So it is used in the place of dog. This is pronoun. Verb. The mother fed the baby. Fed, show some action. So this is the verb. Adjective. The caring father rocked the baby. So caring describes the father here. So this is adjective. Adverb. The dog howled loudly. Loudly. Adverb. It modifies here the verb howled. Preposition. The baby cried for a long time. So preposition for is the preposition. Conjunction. The baby looked at the mother and the father. Baby looked at the mother and father. So and is the conjunction which is used to join here mother and father. अगर हम यहाँ पे एंड नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, कंजक्शन नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, तो सेंटेंस हमारे पास क्लियर नहीं होगा, उसका सेंस नहीं बनेगा. एंड द लास्ट वन इज इंटरजेक्शन. वाओ द बेबी फेल बैक asleep. बेबी दोबारा से सो गया. सो इट इज़ यूज टू हेयर फॉर enjoyment, फॉर एक्साइटमेंट. थैंक यू. You have to prepare them by your own. You have to prepare the activity of parts of speech on your notebook with the examples of your own. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.